Hey everyone, happy Monday, August 3rd, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, and let's get into the week ahead on the markets. And like always, today's episode is brought to you by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. Learn more at amf-capital.de. Let's dive in. Well, after another eventful week for the markets, all eyes now turn to what's ahead, and one company is clearly stealing the spotlight. The biggest story is definitely SpaceX. The company is scheduled to release its very first quarterly earnings report as a publicly traded company on Tuesday afternoon, and expectations are running high. It's been quite a ride since the record-breaking initial public offering in June. The stock initially surged from $135 to more than $225 before giving back all of those gains and even falling below its offering price last week. Investors have become more cautious as enthusiasm surrounding artificial intelligence cooled, and questions continue to grow about whether the enormous investments in data centers will generate the returns companies are promising. And that's exactly why these results matter so much. Investors won't just be looking at revenue and profits, they'll also be listening closely for any updates on artificial intelligence spending, future investments, and management's outlook for the months ahead. The earnings calendar doesn't stop there. Several companies benefiting from the artificial intelligence infrastructure boom are also reporting this week, including Advanced Micro Devices, Western Digital, SanDisk, and a number of energy companies supplying the growing power demand from data centers. Outside the technology sector, we'll also get a better picture of consumer spending. Spotify, Paramount, Skydance, Walt Disney, McDonald's, Wendy's, and the parent company behind Burger King and Popeyes are all scheduled to report earnings over the coming days. So, whether you're watching artificial intelligence, consumer spending, or the broader economy, this week could deliver plenty of fresh clues about where markets may be heading next. All right, that's it for today's Capital Markets Quickie. If you found today's episode helpful, hit subscribe and stay in the loop. And if you want more insights, just add me on LinkedIn or Instagram. Always happy to connect. See you tomorrow morning.